Judiciary Committee will come to order, and without objection, the chair is authorized to declare recesses of the committee at any time.
Smith votes aye. Mr. Conyers votes no.
As a result of our research and review of the referral and supporting documentation, we respectfully submit that there exists substantial and credible evidence of 15 separate events